Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Slow grind up yesterday and we're down quite a bit on some terrible geopolitical news, obviously right now, so we're down to about 598 in the pre-market session. Yesterday was just that slow grind up though, but we did finish with a very small red DEX, 2 in a row. Interesting to see there. Take a look at our customers. They went from completely neutral to bearish, slightly bearish, if you will, yesterday afternoon, and 605, 600, and 585 are our whale targets. We're about 598, just shy of that in the pre-market session. So we're below the 600, still quite far away from that 585. Jumping into our dark pool, sig prints to keep an eye on, to mark on your chart as important points of price contention: 599.4, 603.8. Then let's jump down to our ag and see 589 still down there, still huge. This was pretty thin yesterday, but we've sort of got some thickening up of those dark pools there, some more buying in there. It looks like maybe just a little bit, but nothing too big to keep an eye on. But right now, ag is there. Mark all these on your chart, like always, as support and resistance. That's what I do. All right, jumping into our ag and then our Friday look. Remember, these are always a little bit goofy on Fridays, but let's go ahead and take a look. So 605, big wall up there. 602, positive. 599, positive. So we're really right in this range right here on the ag, with the biggest pull being 600. Next biggest pull is pretty far away down there at 570. Let's go ahead and look and see what Friday's looks like today. Ooh, Friday the 13th, spooky. All right, so now we're looking at 598, which we're below, up to 605 in that range right there from positive to positive. We lose 598, we see 594 and 591. We get above this 598, 599 area, we do have room up into that 605 again. Tough look today. Very important to keep an eye on net flow and our 0-day, and our 0-day gamma to see what's pulling, because right now things are a little bit messy. We've got some news that brought us down a little bit into this patch right here. So we got to see if we can hold, or if we're heading into these ones right here. Hold and recover, heading into these ones right here. Yep. All right. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.